I spoke to somebody yesterday whose business has now been devastated by the avian influenza outbreak that we seem to be suffering here in Norfolk for the third year on the trot. And I had this person speaking to me sincerely, telling me how they were feeling and how they had almost dealt with what it meant to them personally, but were now struggling to deal with the issue that it created. Butchers phoning them up saying, where will I go and get the birds from now? People who had been expecting work before Christmas, preparing these birds, helping them get presented, prepared and packaged, and now there will be no work. These are the things that you don't hear about. These are the things that you don't see. When you see it on the news, you will hear that a farm has been infected and you will be told whereabouts it is. But you're not told anything in terms of what the cost is. The cost goes far beyond any profitability. It goes far beyond money. The emotional and human cost is enormous. We as a country are hanging in by the smallest of threads, and things like this could just be that one extra thing that people don't need. I guess what I'm saying is make sure you talk to somebody. It's the hardest thing in the world, especially in our industry, to admit if you're struggling. It's not a failure to say that you're finding things difficult. It takes real strength and real courage to think you need to find some help. And that's okay.